during pollination. Question 3. What are the similarities and differences between A. Jawar and Mung? Answer. Similarities between Jawar and Mung. Jawar and Mung look like small beans. Both are aginosperms. Jawar and Mung crops are healthy crops. Difference between Jawar and Mung. Jawar, Mung. Jawar. 1. Jawar have roots. 2. Jawar crops are Rabi and Kharif crops. Mung. 1. Root of Mung have sprouts. 2. Mung crops are only Kharif crops. B. Onion and coriander. Answer. Similarities of onion and coriander. 1. Onion and coriander have fibrous root. 2. Onion and coriander plant is monocotyledonous. Difference between onion and coriander. Onion, coriander. Onion. 1. Onion also known as the bulb onion. Coriander. 1. Coriander commonly known as cilantro or dhania. 2. Onion contain chromium which assists in regulating blood sugar. 2. The benefit of coriander includes its use in the treatment of skin inflammation, high cholesterol levels, diarrhea, anemia, mouth ulcers. 3. Onion is mainly Rabi season crop, but it can cultivated in Kharif. 3. Coriander is an annual herb. C. Leaves of banana and mango. Answer. Similarities of leaves of banana and mango. 1. The banana and mango leaves have powerful antioxidant properties. 2. The leaves of banana and mango are colored in green. Difference between banana and mango leaves. Banana, mango. Banana. 1. Leaves of banana are large, flexible, waterproof and decorative. Mango. 1. The leaves of mango tree are fleshy with sharp tip. 2. Banana leaves contain large amounts of polyphenols. 2. It is rich in vitamin A, C and minerals like copper, potassium and magnesium. 3. The banana leaf is also a practical kitchen tool as a food wrapper. 3. The mango leaves are very useful for treating diabetes. 4. Banana have fibrous root. 4. Mango have taproot. D. Coconut tree and jawar stalk plant. Answer. Similarities of coconut tree and jawar stalk plant. Coconut and jawar stalk plant both are monocotyledonous plant. Difference between coconut tree and jawar stalk plant. Coconut tree, jawar stalk plant. 1. Coconut is a fibrous one-seeded drupe. 1. Jawar is gluten-free whole grain. 2. Coconut tree produce fruit in any season. 2. Jawar is shown in the month of May and June. 3. Coconut tree is perennial. 3. Jawar plant is not perennial plant, it is dies very soon. 4. It has adventitious root system. 4. It has adventitious and stilt root system. Question 4. Explain the following images in your own words. Answer. Image A. Monocotyledonous seed. It is a grain of maize. 1. This plant have single cotyledon in the embryo. 2. The plant have adventitious root system. 3. Stem is rarely branched. 4. The leaves have sheathing leaf base and parallel venation. 5. The flowers are generally trimmers, for example, maize, jowar. Answer. Image B. Dicotyledonous seed. It is a bean seed. 1. This plant have two cotyledons in the embryo. 2. They have a taproot system. 3. The stem is profusely branched. 4. The leaves shown radiculate venation. 5. The flowers shown tetrasymmetry. 6. For example, sunflower. Question 5. Describe the functions of various parts of a plant. Answer. The roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. are the different parts of plants. 1. Roots. Roots anchor the plant to take in their water and nutrients and hold the plant firmly in the ground. Roots are also absorbers of water and minerals from the soil. 2. Stem and branches. They are the plant's feet. They support the plant in the soil and carry water and nutrients throughout the various parts of plants. Stem also hold up the leaves to reach out the to light. They keep the fruit and flowers of the plant attached to the plant. 3. Leaves. The leaves collect energy from sun.